Santa, if you're watching, you should hire me.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simona.
Hello angels. So I wasn't sure if I was going to do a what I got for Christmas video this year because first of all, me and my family, we were originally going to do our gifts on January 7th or January 6th, which is when we have Badnik and Božić, which is our Christmas. But we ended up getting too excited, me and my sister specifically, so we ended up doing our gifts yesterday, which for me was the 27th. So today's the 28th. I ended up posting a video today thinking I was either not going to do a Christmas what I got for Christmas video or that I was going to do it later because my boyfriend is in San Francisco right now. So we were going to do the gift exchange with him on like the 7th, but then I was thinking, oh, maybe we could do it earlier. But one of the gifts he's getting me is getting here on the 9th. So I'll show you guys what I got for my dad and my sister. Starting off, I'm so grateful for everything I have. So grateful for my family. I love like the essence of Christmas. And when December hits, I like being festive. This year, it took me a second to get into the Christmas spirit. But when I did, what needed to happen is when we put the tree up. When we put the tree up, that's when I felt it. And I think the best part of the holidays and of like this whole month is, do I look crazy right now? Because the hat is like flattening my bangs and my bangs are a bit long. But honestly, some amazing parts of the month for me. And I'm just saying this because I feel like consumerism and all of that, we get so sucked into the gifts during Christmas time. But another beautiful thing about Christmas is spending time with the people you love. And I just want to tell you guys some of my favorite moments of the month. I did a lot of baking this month because I have a little break from school, finally, and I got to make some brownies. I made brownies either 2 or 3 times this month. I made chocolate chip cookies, and that was really fun because I love making things and then having my family try it out. So yeah, I got to make a few sweets. And I just love in general, anytime I cook and my family gets to eat that, and when I bake and my family gets to eat that, I get so happy and overjoyed. So those are some moments I loved this month. We also got to watch a lot of Christmas movies together as a family, which I'm really grateful for because a lot of the times we're all busy and we have very different schedules. So we got to watch a good amount of movies together. Home Alone, we watch it every year, and every year my dad's dying laughing. We're all dying laughing, and it's like good. It's so good every year. You know what's going to happen, but it's still so good. A few other movies we watched with my sister. We watched Barbie Christmas Carol. With my dad, we watched Elf, and I forget what other movies we watched, but it was just a good time. And we had a family road trip day where my sister was collecting Christmas gifts for me. I made sure not to peek, but that was just such a fun day too. So those are some memories I really cherish. Now we're going to get into the gifts that I'm super grateful for. So, starting with my stocking, I already started eating it, but I got some Ferrero Rochers. I have not had some in a fat minute. And then this had me guessing. I'm like, how is this in the stocking? I'm so happy. It's a Bratz deck of cards. And the thing is, a while back, I really wanted to buy a deck from like eBay, but the total would come up to like usually minimum 20 up to almost 30, and I just like I almost did it, but I was like, I can't, I literally do not have the money for this. So I waited, and my sister got me this deck with my dad. I'm so happy. So all of these gifts are for my sister and my dad. Yeah, and then for the gifts my boyfriend got me, I don't think you guys are gonna want to see that part too because it would come out. The mic died. Oops, I never charged it. It's also just a terrible mic. You guys, if anyone has recommendations, please let me know. I'm gonna try to like project my voice. It might sound like I'm yelling. Or if anything, I'll bring you guys a bit closer so that I'm closer to the mic. Okay. But yeah, now that I'm not holding that annoying ass mic, I can actually show you guys the cards. This is the back. It's the Flashback Fever Bratz cards. Look at the Joker card in this. Wild Style card, like so cute. I'm just like so happy that I have this, and I love playing cards with my boyfriend, my family. It's so funny. This one time I was playing cards with my family
and I was trying to like tell them the rules to this one game, and my dad kept not getting it, so he was putting down these cards, and I'm like, you can't do that. And then we were laughing because it was just so funny that he wasn't getting it. But look how beautiful these cards are. And then with my friends, we've had like poker nights and stuff like that, where I think more recently we started doing little game nights, and we want to do them more in the new year. So I'm gonna bring this pack and I'm gonna make them play with my Bratz cards. Okay, what do I want to show you guys next? Oh right, my tea set. So I didn't bring it here because it's gonna break probably if I bring it to my bed. So I'll put a picture up on the screen. Maybe we'll go check it out a bit later if I still have the storage and we can look through the different items. But I'll have a picture here right now. And oh my god, the cutest tea set I've ever seen. So my family got me this tea set because they know me so well and they know that I love teas. I love like tea parties, and I love cute little tea sets and things like that. So the tea set they got me is perfect. It includes a few little teacups. It includes a little like thing to pour cream, so I can pour the cream, and then a little like sugar container, and then you got the teapot. So I'm so excited because right now I have like a few teacups. In the past I had more and my dad broke them all, so now I'm not joking, you guys, I am the diva of my family. So I have a separate section in the kitchen dedicated to my kitchenware, and it's nothing too crazy. It's just I have like my mugs, my glass cups, like my bowls, like my favorite ones, they're there and they're far away from my dad so he doesn't break them. And I just like made some room for my tea set yesterday. But for teas, I have a few teacups and I have a teapot that I love. But I didn't have like the perfect matching tea set where it's got everything. So the moment I saw that, I told my family, I'm like, I'm gonna host a tea party one of these days and we're gonna have our little teas, and I'm really excited. So yeah, there's that. Now, oh my god, this I was like flabbergasted. Oh, the thing with these cards, I don't think I finished the story, but like I was looking for Bratz cards on eBay and how they were expensive or whatever, but I had also looked at Facebook Marketplace. I saw this deck, but I didn't get it because it was so far. But I forgot about it, and then we went on the road trip, and then my sister, whatever she like got, I didn't see. So when I saw it, I was like, oh my god. So yeah, that is like the perfect gift for me. And then they got me this Bratz bowl with this Bratz plate. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my god, they're so cute. And I was thinking about how I could like put them like this, and I could put like a dip in here, and I could put veggies around or like chips around, you know, like that would be so fun. Oh my god, I'm so excited to fucking eat out of these. They are so cute. I'll show you guys how they look up close. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And the thing too is like for kitchenware, I don't have a single Bratz plate or Bratz bowl, so that's perfect. Now, do you see this? It's a controller, and another one, and another one, and you might be wondering for what? A PlayStation 2. Oh my god. So I wanted a PlayStation 2 forever, but I never thought I would get one. I just don't know, like I just, you know, I don't have a TV in my room. I still don't, but I will eventually get one. Oh my god, I love it so much. I'm so excited. There's just so many good games on here. For example, the main reason I wanted this PlayStation is for the Bratz games. I've seen different gameplays and they are just so fun. And I tried downloading them on my computer, but it wasn't like saving the progress in the game, so I just like gave up on it. And now I can actually play them on here, and I'm so excited. And then the slot here, it's like a DVD player too. So I have like an extra DVD player for if I had a TV in my room, but this could just be utilized for so much. I'm pretty sure I could play my DVDs on here, and I could play all the games I want and more, and I'm so excited. Oh, you guys, this Christmas has just been so fabulous, and I'm so lucky and grateful and just ecstatic and everything that the people I have in my life just know me so well. I feel like personally, I think I'm an easy person to shop for because I like so many things. Whereas, for example, like with my boyfriend, it's a bit harder to shop for him because he's not materialistic at all, and he kind of has everything he needs, and he doesn't like love like materialism, but I kind of do. Like, have you looked around in my room? I collect everything, and I love just spending money on stupid shit. So yes, but I think I'm pretty simple to shop for because I I love secondhand things, and I love so many things. So it's just great. And I think too with gifts for me, it's like I didn't know I was gonna get this. You know what I mean? Because that's the beauty of secondhand shopping too. And I just like really recommend it. And I know it's not for everyone, but something on my but yeah, a lot of the gifts I got for my family and my loved ones is like I got them a lot of secondhand stuff and DIY stuff that I like made. So I was gonna just mention something I made for my boyfriend, but he is not getting his gift until I see him, and that would probably be after I post this, so I won't be talking about that any further. But yeah, I just think, just to like wrap this video up, like gifts, they're so fun, but they don't have to be like you go to the mall and you drop all your money. You can also shop secondhand and shop more affordably, and you can make stuff for people, and honestly that could like fill your heart up more than something you saw at the mall, you know, that you want. So yeah, so thank you so much to my family. I love you guys the most. I'm so grateful. Like my family, sometimes we're a mess and we fight, but at the end of the day there's a lot of love for each other. And yeah, and like with my dad, he might be not the most emotionally mature. Oh my god, I just like ran out of storage, so I had to delete stuff. Okay, I'm gonna try to wrap this up, and I'm sorry for getting a little sappy. I'm just feeling a bit emotional, so I'm like, you know what, whatever, I'll just say how I feel, because we don't have to always be fake on this app, you know. We don't always have, we could show like how we're feeling. But yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, me and my family, we argue. But something about lately, the holidays, it has really like oh my god, I'm getting too sappy, guys. But like my dad, yeah, like I was saying, he might not be the most emotionally mature old guy. Like really, like it is hard to kind of like crack into him. And the language barrier too, of course. Like English is his like second language too. I mean, we know Macedonian, so we talk both languages, but at the end of the day, you know, that mixed into and everything, sometimes it's hard to like crack into him and to get him to understand like what we all need as a family in terms of like emotional support and things like that. But he's so loving and so sweet, and I feel like I've been really seeing my dad like realize that we really just want to spend time together as a family. Like we all are super busy, and today we live in a world now where it's so hard to afford things. Like it really just is, and it's really sad to see how greed can do this. Do you know what I mean? Like, I think we know what I'm talking about here. So, you know, like most of us, we really can't afford much, which means everyone is working 10 times harder, and it is hard to like see each other all as a family. Okay, my phone really is continuously running out of storage, so I'm gonna try to say this rapid fire. Basically, me and my family, we argue a lot, but at the end of the day, it's truly because we love each other and we wanna spend time with each other, you know what I mean? And with everything being so expensive, even though money does not equate to everything, not having the money and having to work so hard just to pay the bills and not have much extra to spend means you are drained and you don't have time to hang out with your family. And that is one thing that, you know, has been hard. But luckily with this Christmas break, I'm the one who's off school and I'm the one who's unemployed, and I'm actually like home like every day now. So it was so nice to actually get to spend time with my family, and it just is something that I really needed. And it was really discouraging me that I felt like I couldn't see my entire family, especially because of the fact that growing up, unfortunately, I couldn't see my dad. And now it's like all I want is to have that, I guess, like that picture perfect family I always wanted, but like just that family connection, like me, my sister, my dad, like us, like having a good time, hanging out, laughing, like, you know, like having game nights, watching movies together, going on road trips, doing these little things. So having this month and being able to do that has been so nice, and I've been just so grateful for that. So I hope that you guys are all having a really amazing Christmas, amazing holidays, and that you are able to relax and enjoy your time and spend the time with the people you love, whether it's family by blood, by choice, whoever you have in your surroundings. I hope you are able to spend quality time with them. And if you don't have anyone around you that like gives you emotional support, I really hope you do find that soon. And if you are living in that situation right now, just know that things will get better, and the people for you, your family and your people, they're out there somewhere. So yeah, and you will find them soon. Just keep having hope, I guess, is what I want to say. I got like literally no storage to even do an outro, even though I'm deleting like 6 minutes worth of videos. I don't know what that's about. I love all of you guys so much. So thank you for being here, for watching. And yeah, I don't know. Sometimes it feels like, with having this camera on, sometimes it feels like getting sappy is like stupid. So I feel stupid talking like this. But for like who I am and like for what I want to do when I'm like making videos, I don't want it to be super like superficial and like fake and all this, especially because I can't even come across as professional if I tried. So why would I try? But I also do want this to feel like a family. I want to feel authentic. So maybe we'll see. I'm gonna try leaving all this in. But yeah, I need to show you guys. I feel like sometimes it's hard to know like what you guys want to watch, and I don't know how to like I can't just like put a poll out here, can I? I don't think. I don't know. But yeah, and I know sometimes it's a little intimidating to like comment on YouTube. I just feel like comments on YouTube are less common than comments on like TikTok and Instagram and stuff. Like if you want to tell me any of your favorite memories from Christmas, please let me know. Like I'd love to hear about anything that you guys want to talk about. I would love to know. So yeah, Merry Christmas guys, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Or wait, I did that all backwards. Oopsie. Okay, love you guys, and remember, make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go.